Welcome back to another episode of my van conversion with a Sprinter van build. I decided, as I did with my micro camper, to use Armaflex. And as I have enough space inside the van, I'm using 2 centimeters for the ground insulation. The reason why I choose to use Armaflex is due to the vapor barrier and you don't have any condensation. And Armaflex has a really good value compared to insulation overall at all. So stay tuned to check out how it will go. What a wonderful day today. It's really sunny. We have 10 degrees Celsius. The birds are tweeting and it's just good to be outside and enjoying doing some things. So now we have to hurry a little bit up with the van build. I would like to be finished in June. So after the floor is insulated, we are going to have a look on the walls and after that on the roof to insulate it with Armaflex. Probably have seen many videos on YouTube with van builds where they use sound deadening and some small patches all over the van, like on spots like here, here and here. And I have no idea why. It's way too expensive, it's unnecessary and it's not needed. If you use Armaflex, it's sound deadening in itself and you have a vapor barrier. So you don't need to do triple or double things on your van. And yes, it may do some sound deadening, but when it's only a small patch in the middle and you still have a whole surface where sound or noise can go through. So I don't know. Make your own opinion, comment down below what you think about it. I would like to hear your statement regarding this subject. So main thing on the insulating a van is what not many people are telling on YouTube, is to have those metal pieces and this one, which I will remove. And this metal piece only insulate here. And if you remember, if you enjoy a tea and you have a spoon inside your cup, the spoon is conducting all the heat out of the tea. And this is the same principle here in the van. If you have this construction and this, if you're not using any insulation on it, you will have some heat conductor or cold conduction. I don't know if I spell it right, but we will see. So that's why it's a big task if I insulate this van to get in all spots with Armaflex. It will not be possible anyway, especially here, inside here, but I can do it like around and maintain the insulation. Only thing what I need to remember is not to close holes from this side to this side, that the water, if there will be water, can run somewhere. Anyway, if I have it like one surface here and here, it's a vapor barrier and there shouldn't be any condense going behind it. And here's the task I would like to maintain on the entire build, that you have access to the screws. I will use some insulation around it. Maybe I will not go inside, I will see. But I will at least maintain that you can access the screws to, if you need to demount the sliding door, you don't need to demount your whole van build. So this I will see later on. But first I have to cut this away and this here. This is kind of a support for this, that you don't get noise. But I bought some special Armaflex. It's 11 millimeters and it has some extra sound deadening with Armaflex. And the plan is to place it there and then use 2 centimeters over spots. So now it's done. Now I just need to remove the glue behind it on both sides, and then I can remove this. I tried before with a scissor, with a metal scissor, but it wasn't so easy, so I decided to use the angle grinder. Now I'm just breaking more and more of my car. Oh, that's interesting. Painted behind it. I will not put so much work behind it to paint it, as it's inside the van and it's covered anyway. So it should be fine. But I will use some zinc spray just to be sure. Hey, it's finally sunny again, really warm outside. So it's good to continue the project. It has been a little bit on off, but the most boring part about insulating is now soon finished. And then the fun part can start with the walls and framing and everything. The costs of this van build has been mind-blowing. It's way too much, I have to admit, but it's also going to be ultimated van build that I can live in it and have everything what I need. So I can also rent out my house and just go on some trips and earn at the same time money. So that's why I'm investing a lot of money into this Sprinter van. So this is how far we got. I had to cut it open and get some glue behind, as it obviously wasn't enough and was not sticking to the wall. And I also decided that I have to buy a window here and here. As you see, there's a damage, so I can get rid of it without bigger things to fix. And same will be here. It's only it's not so bad. It's on the top and only one dent here. So if I cut it away and place a window here, the problem will be solved.